Hi ELT professionals out there! Welcome to the Song Activity Factory! Here, we believe in the power of songs to teach English. And we hope you enjoy this experience. In this short video, we'll give you an idea for a song activity, called Musical Photo Story. You'll learn how to prepare, and use it step by step. But, before we begin, be sure to subscribe! For more innovative, useful and practical ideas for song activities, and lesson plans. Let's begin! In this activity, students work in groups, presenting their own photos, and using them, to write a narrative with a theme song. Preparation. 1. Choose a nice song for the activity. 2. Create a Google Doc, with designated spaces for groups to collaborate. Suggested step-by-step lesson plan. Step 1, 5 minutes. Ask students to find one photo on their phones, or computers that they really like. Step 2, 10 minutes. In small groups, breakout rooms, students share the photos with the group, and talk about them. The other members can ask questions too. Everybody presents their photos. Step 3, 10 minutes, share the link to a collaborative Google Doc. Mix the groups again. In the new breakout rooms, students will present their photos again. This time though, after their presentation, students upload the photos to their designated space in the Google Doc. Step 4, 5 minutes, back to the main room, play the song you've chosen for the activity. Students listen and say if they liked it or not and why. Step 5, 5 minutes. Rotate the groups. How? Group 1 works with the photos from Group 2. Group 2 works with the photos from Group 3 and so on. The last group works with the pictures from the first one. Step 6, 10 minutes. The same groups from Step 3 go back to the breakout rooms, to write a short narrative connecting the photos using the song as an inspiration. They have to write their narratives under the correspondent photos. Step 7, 5 to 7 minutes. Students read the narratives of all groups, and vote on the most interesting. Step 8, Homework. Students write a story based on their narratives, Cambridge English First for Schools style. E.g., start your story with this sentence, include a surprise and a visit. Optional Step 9, 10 minutes. Students work with the lyrics, interactive worksheet with gap fill, etc. Like the idea? Watch these videos for more. Subscribe to our channel. Like and share this video to help other teachers. Visit songactivityfactory.com. Thank you for watching.